The prancing horse is taking over here today at the garage. It's on deck. Let's get to it and check it out. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What is in the Box. We're taking a look at the Ferrari 348 TS kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. This kit was initially released in 1991, and this one we're looking at today was reissued sometime around 2006. It's just a rebox, if you will. There are options for to do the TS or the TB variation. This does have engine detail. You see, it has 107 parts. And getting started with the body. And getting started with the chassis parts tree. And now we'll take a look at the engine parts tree. And getting us started with the body parts tree. And some other suspension bits parts tree as well. It's a combination parts tree. And now we'll turn our attention to the interior parts tree. And now we'll take a look at the tires. These are going to be blank sidewall tire brand. And move it on to the wheels. And now the clear parts tree. And wrapping this up will be the decal sheet and a photo etch sheet, which has some grills and some Ferrari emblems. You have both your choice of 348, TB and TS badging, and Ferrari badging, mirror face badging, or mirror face pieces, and the decal sheet. So that's going to do it for this look at the Ferrari 348 TS or TB kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. And of course, if you're wondering where you can get yourself some Ferrari matched paint, I think you know where you can go. Jameson at Scalefinishes can get that hooked up for you. Get you hooked up with some. I don't know what you want to say it. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.